After a number of delays caused by trips away up to North Wales, up to over to Somerset, up to Chester twice in 1 week, and there was a little bit of a problem with the pond liners, which I'll tell you about later on, but some progress has been made. This area now has the gravel in, and I've made the ripples using this rake that I made. So I'd like to try and get some finer stuff on there if I can. I've also been experimenting with the steps, and I think I've got the idea now how I'm going to do it. But those are the steps that I put in, and Indian stone. And now for the pond liners. Well, I'm on my way to Salisbury to go and collect the pond liners for the 2 ponds on the Zen Garden, and I'm running in good time, so I've just stopped for a little rest on the way. So I've arrived at Aquaflex Limited, the company that's making the liners for me. I just hope they're ready. We'll go and find out. Well, this is the factory, and you can see it's quite extensive and immaculately clean. I caught the coffee break, so there's not a lot going on. You can see a little bit of the process there. Well, the liners are in the back of the car, and now we can head back to South Wales. Well, I now have the fleece and the liners ready for the pond, so I can get on with a bit of work. I ordered the pond liners through a company called Inspired by Water, and dealt with a chap called Jim. He was very good, very attentive, and even answered one of my emails on a bank holiday. So thank you very much indeed, Jim, for the trouble you've taken over my order. And they were manufactured by a company called Aquaflex, and I can't speak highly enough of them. There was an error, but they corrected it very, very quickly. I sent the liner back to them. They received it just after midday on a Friday, and I had it back here on Tuesday morning, the following Tuesday morning. That is really, really good service, and I thank you very much, Dan and the team at Aquaflex. Excellent service. There's the majority of the fleece in the bottom pond. There's just a couple of little bits to put at the end, but it's too windy, and they'll blow away before I have a chance to do anything with them. I opened the package, and this one liner went in fine. That bit over there is where I've still got to make the outlet for the waterfall to fall down to the lower pond, but then I'm going to do a bit of solvent welding on it there. And there's the bottom liner then, and there's a temporary bridge for me to walk across until I've got the tea house built and the proper bridge built in there. Well, that's it for this time, and just hope for a few days of good weather and get cracking on it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll come back and see the rest of it. Bye bye.